guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. For today's video I'll be vlogging my trip to Goa. This is my second trip in the same year. The last time I went was in February and it's just April, so just 2 months apart, but I'll still be doing this because I'm traveling with completely different set of people. I'm traveling with my sister, my brother and my dadi, so basically it's gonna be a very leisure kind of a trip. Finally landed in Goa, and before going to our resort we'll be first going and having our lunch. So we have found some cafe near to our resort only. So we are going to stay at Benolium, and before that we'll be having our lunch since it's already 1:30 right now and all of us are damn hungry. Let me show you guys how exactly the room looks like. That's where you enter the room from. Then here are the two closets. This is the bathroom. There is a bathtub here. And then there's some mini bar closet. And that's the way to go out. This is just so beautiful. It's more than what I imagined, for sure. That's how the room looks from the other side. These are deluxe and premium sea view rooms. These are the only rooms in this property from where you can see the direct sea view, and it's just so stunning. It's just so refreshing getting out of Bombay, and it is just so isolated with less number of people and right in front of the beach. All the tiredness that we had while boarding the flight is all gone just looking at the view. Hi! So, so we are so excited that we are gonna have a proper sister getaway.
We've been sisters for like 23 years.
23 years.
So we've been sisters for 23 years now, but we've never got like this chance to.
Yeah, so we have always gone with family. Right now also we have family. We have Bhai and Dadi who are staying in the next room, but it's gonna be so much.
It's the first time we're properly sharing a room, and
yeah.
it's
just the two of us
ever, and we're really excited.
Yeah, and of course it's South Goa. You guys know how much I love South Goa. Been saying this all the time while we were coming. I think she's just obsessed.
When are we going to the beach?
We are just heading out to the beach.
Right, can't wait to go.
Yeah. That's the size of her bag, and then that's my bag. Double the size.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'll show you what's in my bag.
Okay. Just look at the size of her bag.
This is a bag that I got from Eco-Rite. Y'all should go check it out. Very sustainable. It's made out of recycled plastic, and it's a really cute bag. And I have like extra masks. I have like 2-3 t-shirts, and like I think it's the way I packed it. It's nice. There's some t-shirts and tops, and I've got 2
How
dresses.
light are you carrying?
It's 3 days, so I have like enough clothes.
On our way to the beach. Resort is spread across acres and acres of land and palm trees all over, and right over there somewhere is our room. I'm not sure, but there's too much to walk here. It's looking like a very cloudy day today and not very sunny, but
that's what we don't want to get tan.
I just hope we get to watch a very pretty sunset today.
Probably won't be possible.
It's the seafood and seaside restaurant that they have, which connects the beach directly. We just got back from our dinner. How was it? So basically the thing is that most of the cafes here serve seafood, and because they're specialized in it, but being a vegetarian it gets difficult when it comes to food. And since morning, like literally both the cafes we went to weren't that great at all.
Hope we eat better tomorrow.
It's the next day morning and I'm all ready to give my exam. I got up at 7 and it's 8:15 right now. My exam is gonna start at 8:30, but I went to the beach, got ready and was setting up my laptop, so I'm all set to give the exam. It sounds so weird when I say that I'm giving an exam from Goa. Like, I would have never imagined doing that. It's such a paradox in itself, but the online exam system has literally made it so easy that you can give exams from everywhere. Ready for my exam, and over there Nishu is studying for her lectures. So what trip are we on? What name have we given to this trip?
WFV, work from vacation.
Work from vacation kind of a trip we are on.
So right now we are on our way. We are going to a beach shack. It's called what, guys? The
Jokon.
what is it called? Jokon.
Jokon.
Yeah, so we are going to the Geocon's beach shack because we are damn hungry, because after breakfast we haven't had anything. Photo shoot चल रही है यहाँ पे guys. For the girls. That's the cafe we were walking towards. It's right on the beach. Hoping some really cool sunset today because the sun is out and it wasn't out yesterday.
It's the next day morning. It's just 7 a.m. and look at the view. It's just so lovely and bright out there.
Ready for cycling? Yeah. Yes. This is too tall for me.
Let's go. You can paddle around anywhere and everywhere around this property. This is the other side of the property and they have some really cool colorful bungalows over here. It's sort of a private villa. It's just so peaceful and quiet.
We had a great time at the beach and even saw a very beautiful sunset. Nisargi dipped into the water and I think she had a great time. How was it?
Lots of fun. The waves were very strong.
Yeah,
That's
they
why it
were
was perfect.
I so miss not going into the water this time, but probably very soon. And right now you can see the sky behind me.
The sky got all the way more prettier now. I think after sunset is the best time to see the sky. There are like so many shades. We are ready for our last dinner now, and I will be doing some makeup on Nisargi because she has been loving my no makeup look. I really like being very subtle with my makeup. You must have seen that I have got a pimple over here since the beginning of this trip, but it's okay. I like keeping my face as natural as possible. She's all ready.
Mike has done a very good job, and I've always appreciated her subtle makeup looks in her videos, and I asked her if I would try this out on me, and she did, and I think she did a great job. Thank you.
So we are off to our last breakfast now, and previously Nisargi had her early morning lectures, but it's a bank holiday and we didn't realize that, so they got cancelled.
Yeah, so now we have more breakfast time, and it's a good thing that we woke up early, otherwise we would have been in bed.
That's our breakfast table for the day. after breakfast I have lost my hat and my sunglasses. I don't know where exactly they are, so we are going to check out the shack where we were sitting last evening. Probably I might have kept it there, so let's hope I get my things back. हाँ, थैंक यू. कहाँ थी?
मेरे चेयर पे रखा था पीछे.
हाँ, और sunglasses भी थे. Got my cab bag, it was there at the shack only, and sunglasses I think I had kept it somewhere on the beach. She's running towards, no? I always carry an extra pair of sunglasses. We are just checking out and we have an evening flight. It was such a fun trip and it was completely relaxing. This was the first time that we kids stepped out of only with our dadi, and I think this experience is something that we are going to remember lifetime. Yeah, it was
some quality time, a lot of quality time with her and with each other as well, which was nice.
Yes, it was really great, and I know a lot of people have been telling us that it's not safe, and I agree that it's absolutely not safe to step out right now, but we took the risk because the cost of cancelling the trip was going really high, and this trip was planned since Jan.
Feb around.
Yeah, so this trip was planned in Feb, and we literally had no intentions to cancel it at all because this was our first experience, and it was
And Dadi was the most excited.
yeah, she was the most excited for this one, but yeah, we took all the precautions and we made it here, and we are going back right now, and after this also
Quarantining for the next 7 days.
and also doing an RT-PCR test at the Mumbai airport. If you have liked this video, then you know the drill. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, or if you haven't already. Lots of love. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye.